going to make a refreshing dessert. We'll make a mango graham sandwich and ice cream, 2 desserts in one. But first, let us unbox my new mixer from Gaabor, and we will use this for our desserts. This mixer is very stylish and handy. It comes in silver and black color. This is for mixing and the other one is for kneading. And it has 3 speeds. Let's start our dessert. We will be needing 4 ingredients only. And now we'll try our new mixer. After we have refrigerated overnight, here's our ice cream! Our mango graham ice cream. So refreshing! And for the other dessert, we will make ice cream sandwich. Sandwich the ice cream that we made with graham crackers. Refrigerate again. Here's our ice cream sandwich. Presenting our 2 desserts. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.